Navigating buttons can assist readers in quickly finding specific chapters and aid users in navigating to different sections. So let me show you a little bit more about that. Navigate to the Form tab and find Push button. Add the first button to your document and rename it by double-clicking. In the Options category, make sure to choose Label Only. In the Actions category, we're going to select Execute a menu item. As this button is going to take us to the first page, we're going to choose First Page under Page Navigation. Our first button has been added. Let's quickly add a second button that's going to help us go to a specific page. And my second button is now complete. I'm going to repeat those steps again to create buttons 3 and 4. And now you can see I've added 4 push buttons to my document. You can also adjust the appearance settings and effects by double-clicking and going to Appearance. And we can see that each of these buttons executes a different instruction. Now you know how to add push buttons to make navigating your documents a lot easier.